Good day, viewers. We are here once again to do what we know how to do best. My name is Mr. Uche Ijegalo. You can call me MC Smiles of the Federal Republic of Hispaniola if there is anything like that. Today, this morning, if you look at the two of us, you know that we are smiling. Irrespective of what is happening around, that life is all about laughter and smiling. Put a smile in one's face, and you too will be happy doing that. I see that close to me is Mr.
Joshua Paul Kuzana.
Okay, Mr. Joshua Paul Kuzana. I was very informed that he's a football coach. Sir, am I right?
You are right, sir.
Please, can you tell us the name of the club you coach?
I coach Narai Empire Football Club.
Narai Empire Football Club. Yes, Narai Empire Football Club, which is located where, sir?
At Narai Living Faith Field.
Narai Living Faith Field. For those who live in Narai Axis, if you know the Living Faith as you are going towards Angwa that's a pitch, in fact, double pitch where people train. Sir, what time do you do your training, sir?
We start exactly 6:30.
6:30.
We finish 8:30.
6:30 to 8:30 on a daily basis?
On daily basis, Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday. All right, sir, can you give us a little hint of the form of training you do?
Yeah, by God's grace, I follow the model of the game.
Okay.
I ensure that the 4 pillars of football is part of my training, which is we have technical, we have tactical, we have physical, we have psychosocial. I ensure that all those parts, 4 pillars of the game are part of my training.
Good. So what you just told us here that you are following the world best practice of football.
Yes.
Okay, that is good. Well, I want to ask again because following the standard of football have a lot of things that is involved. I want to know, you just sit down and gather children and train them and go away, or do you have a proper hierarchy or a proper management that see to what we are doing?
Yes, by the grace of God, the club has been existing this is the 2030 year.
Wow.
So we started in 2000, which we started like friends, but later we realized that we cannot build the club on our own. So we started scouting for sponsors. So in the process of that, we met one Marcos Musa, that is now he's our project manager presently.
Wow.
So by God's grace, we have so many people that are assisting the club to ensure that the club is doing well. Because the idea of the club is for empowerment, youth empowerment. We focus not only in football, we focus in football. We teach them how to get trades, their education. I believe the club we are just empowerment program. Not only focusing on only football. Work on the moral of the players.
All right, viewers, if you must know, I'm just trying to say, pull your legs. I am part and parcel of that team. I think I know that team. By the grace of God, the team has its hierarchy. The team has a board. They have a board, management board. They have executive. Then they have other aspects of football which is covered properly, following the world best practice. In fact, I am the Secretary General of that football club. If you must know, the club have under 10, under 13, under 18 to the senior cadre of football. We do football business and football training. So tell us about the normal program we do on monthly basis in the classroom.
Yeah, the model way of football is all about mental development. We ensure that we develop our players mentally. We took them to the class. We teach them the basic of the game. Theoretically, we work on them. Practically, we work on them. Because they are public servants. They need to be morally sound. They need to be mentally sound. So we ensure that time to time in a week, once we took them to the class and teach them the basic of the game, theoretically.
All right. You can see, you father who is listening to me, you mother that listens to me, do not think that your child is wasting away going to the field to train. Let me inform you. You know that football sells more than oil. In the world today, football money is split like fire. But the problem is that our parents have refused to understand the way it goes. Let me be frank with you. Empire Football Club, which is Narai Empire Football Club, has been existing for the past 23 years. And I believe that club has had a lot of achievements. Coach, please, can you tell us the achievements you've had so far, all those while you are existing?
Yes, we thank God for everything because presently we have players all over the world. We have players that play first league in Europe. Like we have a player that play in Czech Republic, Slovakia, which is Pentecost of Fikedi Natural Beaching. Still have other players that play in Turkey. We have players all over the world that's, that are playing actively presently. So presently we have a player, Emmanuel Gomez, is playing in Croatia. So God has blessed the club so far. We have players in the league, our local league, our Nigeria Premier League, and our National League. So presently, I, the coach of the club, I started with the club, but presently I'm the head coach of our state team, Kaduna United Football Club, which because of the club, because of the effort the club is putting on ground, so the state recognized that this club is doing well. They have to pick the coach to make it part of the state team.
All right, you can see maybe you are living in Narai or you are living in Angomegero, so you think, those boys training. You've heard from him. The achievement is broad. My brother, they will raise players from that same pitch who you watch on TV. Raise players who have made a lot for their parents to be happy that this thing. They were all trained from that same pitch. And you can see he's also the head coach of Kaduna United today. Today, because of the effort, because of what he has done. I don't want to start to go into his academical qualifications when it comes to coaching. We know that he has done a lot. He has sat down in a lot of classes to learn or to know more about the game. Coach, I want you to advise the young ones. What do you have to tell them about what we are doing?
Yes, my advice for the young generation is for them to be right always. You have to be in the right place doing the right things. No matter what you are feeling, you have desire, you want to be a professional footballer, you need to get the professional people that are into the game. Somebody like me, I am a trained coach, I have my licenses, I am a trained coach with the Football Coaches Association of African Nations. I'm their member. Presently, I'm their coordinator in Kaduna State. So you see, if you want to play ball, you need to be with the right people that are in the game, that are in the system, because football is a system. So my advice to the youth and the parents is for them to ensure that they took their kids to the right place that they will be developed properly. In life, you have to be right, doing the right thing, and you have to be sincere to yourself. Not just you want to play the game or you are just anywhere you feel like going. You have to go for the best places, play under a standard football club. It's just like Nara Empire Football Club is a full registered football club. Is a limited liability entity. It's registered. We have CAC registration, we have TMS registration, we are affiliated with the state FA. We have so many affiliations. We are a legal team that anybody can come there and add value to his life. So we are there to ensure that youth are getting proper training, they are doing the right things in life.
All right. I want you to tell us more. Or before then, like since I know I am part of the team, we will not wrap it up without applauding the effort so far of the project manager. This man has been here all these years. He has been investing, encouraging, pampering, taking. He has been doing a lot of things to ensure that this team is moving forward. Without he has brought men into the system that we have seen that there is a lot of progress in Empire. Right? I will not forget to applaud the effort also of the chairman board of trustees who have done a lot of things for this club, and he has a lot of things to do more because he's a man that when he wants to do anything, he goes by it or he stands by it and do it in a proper form. Sir, wherever you are, we salute you. Why we are not mentioning names is because of security reasons. You don't know how the world is now. So, but sir, listening to us, you know that we are talking about you. We thank you for your effort, you and the project manager and every other executive who have been doing one or two things. We applaud you. More especially the coach who does the field work and every other person who have been trying one way or the other to help us to grow. Remember, the name of this football team is Narai Empire Football Team. a team that has produced a lot from the grassroots, a team who is ready to go any length to get players who are ready to play, who are ready to be obedient. We don't tolerate nonsense in our team. Sorry if I'm using that language. But the truth is that when you come to that team, you have to obey them. We will be sure that if you are obedient to your parents, we'll be sure if it is your parents' approval. We'll be also sure if you are doing what they ask you to do. But coach, before we finally go, tell us about Alant, or tell us about how to keep players. If, for instance, I'm bringing players out of Kaduna to stay with you for training.
Good. Presently, the club has its own clubhouse,
Yes.
which you cannot be engaging in football business without a clubhouse, where we can accommodate every player from every part of the world. The club is set with, we are blessed with good people, good administrator. Just like my able secretary said, the project manager and the board chairman and the other executives, they are there ensuring that the club is doing well. That is why I said it's a legal entity. We are ensuring that we are following the FIFA standard, the world standard of football. So we have everything on ground, the training facilities, the European standard. Me mentioning about 4 pillars of football is because of the training. It's not everybody that is aware of this. So modernly, any coach that is hearing me all over the world knows that this is a trained coach. For me mentioning these 4 pillars of the game. So these 4 pillars of the game is what we are using all over the world. We are using the same training methodology with that follow the process of FCAN, Football Coaches Association of African Nations. The FCAN is affiliated to Europa. So anything they are doing in Europe, they used to bring it to us. Presently, the project manager just pay my B license fee for me, which for the passion he has for the club, he wants to ensure that his club, his coach is up and doing. So presently, I'm going for my B license by God's grace, May, which the fee is 400,000, and the project manager single-handedly pay it for me because of the passion he has for the youth. He said he wants the youth to have the right training, so that is why he's pushing me to this level.
Well, I will not keep, because I am part and parcel of this whole progress. A lot of things I know, which I believe when you come closer, you will know. Other teams in Kaduna, I beg you, if you want to grow, I am not saying you are not doing well. But what I'm saying is that the right process is advice. If you really want to advertise also your team, if you want to advertise, sell your product. If you want to let us hear you and know what you do too, you can meet us here on Procyon TV to discuss with us. Procyon TV to discuss with us, or Procyon Radio and TV, because we do TV and we do radio. We do motion and we do vision. We also do what is called listening. Listening is when you talk, we listen to you. Please, when you want to come, you can look for us at www.procyon.news.com, or you get us from Procyon RTV. If you don't know how to spell Procyon, it is spelled P-R-O-C-Y-O-N. Remember, the name of our football club is called Narai Empire Football Club. We are open for business. We are open for the game. We are open for good morals. We are open for everything good. Please join us so that all of us will share in the goodness of what is called round objects that we can keep together and be happy at the same time. You can get us on the following phone number: 0803-643-9671, or you can get us on 0809-4646-206. You get us directly in the studio. If you need us, we can discuss this. Then we'll see how we'll go forward. I remain your brother, a lover of football. Your brother, a lover of life. Your brother, a lover of good things. Mr. Uche Ijegalo, and my brother here, Coach
Joshua Paul Kuzana.
Joshua Paul Kuzana, I must applaud you. I must give you a handshake for the work.
Thank you.
And you extend this handshake to the project manager and the BOT chairman, whom I refuse to call their names here for security reasons, knowing fully well in the society we live. God will bless you as you call us for more business, and God will bless you for listening to us. God will bless all our benefactors and God will bless all our sponsors. We ask that everything we do will be blessed by God. Thank you for listening to us. Keep on doing what is good so that good is needed. Keep shining like the star.
Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag. So wave your flag, now wave your flag, now wave your flag. Oh, oh, oh. Fire, give you reason, take you higher. See the champions take the field now. Unify us, make us feel proud. In the streets our heads are lifting as we lose our inhibition. Celebration, it surrounds us. Every nation, all around us. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the sun. Let's rejoice in the beautiful game, and together at the end of the day, we all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They'll call me freedom, just like a waving flag.